General Ecology. Observational study of grasshopper behavior. For this video, we will be presenting an observational study of grasshopper behavior, focusing on foraging, anti-predator behavior, and locomotions, all within the context of behavior ecology. Green grasshoppers, masters of camouflage, are insects that blend seamlessly with their surroundings. They are common in grassy areas, meadows, and gardens, feeding in the plants. Their bright green colors help them hide from predators, while their powerful hind legs allow them to jump long distance to escape dangers. Despite their name, green grasshoppers can come in various shades of green, brown, or even yellows, depending on their species and environment. Behavioral ecology examines the evolutionary basis of animal behavior, emphasizing the adaptive value of action that promote survival and reproduction. And now let's analyze these grasshoppers' behaviors. Here we observe foraging behavior. The grasshopper is using its mandibles to chew on a broad green leaf, appearing to prefer leaves with the smooth textures over those with rough edges or damage. It spends approximately 15 seconds on one leaf before moving to another nearby leaf. The selective feeding suggests it may be maximizing its energy intake by choosing leaves with a higher nutritional value or those easier to consume. This is consistent with optimal foraging theory, where animals balance energy gains against energy expenditures. The grasshopper doesn't seem to be randomly searching but rather systematically moving between leaves in a small area, suggesting a patchy foraging strategy. Now let's look at anti-predator strategies. During the observation periods, no predator-prey interactions was observed. However, based on its morphology and colorations, we can infer that the grasshoppers likely employed anti-predator strategy. Its coloration could provide camouflage, while its powerful legs suggested ability to quickly escape. Grasshopper locomotion is primarily achieved through jumping. Notice the grasshopper's powerful hind legs much larger and stronger than its other legs. These modified legs are perfectly adapted for jumping, with strong muscles and specialized joints that allow for rapid extension. The other legs are used for balance and grasping. These adaptations highlight the importance of efficient locomotions for survival. To better understanding these grasshoppers, let's look at its taxonomy classifications. The taxonomy classifications is English name is green grasshoppers, scientific name is Oxia yezionsis, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, ordered Orthoptera, family Arthrididae. This short observation has allowed us to examine several aspects of grasshopper behavior through the lens of behavior ecology. While further research is needed, particularly to definitively identify the species, this study provides a basic understanding of foraging, anti-predator strategies, and locomotion in this fascinating insect. Limitations of this study include the short observation period and the lack of controlled conditions. Future research could investigate the following. If the future researchers focusing on the grasshopper species, future research could focus on definitively identifying the grasshopper species using higher resolution imagery and comparisons with regional field guides. If the researcher focusing on behavior, further research could involve longer-term observation to better understand the grasshopper daily activity pattern and seasonal variation in behavior. And last, if the researchers focusing on ecological context studied could examine the grasshopper's response to human-induced change in its habitat. And future study could explore the grasshopper's role in the local food web and its interaction with other organisms. So for the last, let me introduce myself. It's me, Liza Villaluz, and my group mates is Sandra May Riguma. So that's all. Thank you for listening and watching.